So this is a 2014 Ford Escape. I'm doing the rear brakes, and this is tricky on the rear brakes. Front brakes are usually pretty easy, but the issue is I have to get that bolt. Now if you didn't come prepared, it's going to be a hassle, just like I wasn't prepared. So first you need to remove the failsafe. So what I did is I just got a screwdriver, and you come over here, and then you should be able to actuate the failsafe and pull that out. Of course you need two hands, so make sure you get it from underneath. I'm sure you can't get it from underneath. Maybe if I set it right there. And now you can see what I'm doing. Well, I just had it. It's a little blurry, but you're going to take pliers, see? And then you push right here. There you go. Now that's popped off. Then you just come back here, you undo this, you slide that out. There you go. Get that out of the way. Now you have a little bit more room to get that bolt. So that is a 1/2 inch bolt. So you got to use a little stubby 1/2 inch to break it loose. The other one's on the bottom. It's just a 1/2 inch as well, but you can use a socket wrench to get it, so it's not hard at all. Okay, so the trick to this is there is a little bracket. This little bracket here, right? So you have to remove this bracket, or else you won't be able to insert these. So you have to do the top first, the top pad first. So I'm gonna show you. So you do the top pad first, just in like that. Then you do the bottom pad, but you got to move this little other bracket up and down and around in order to do it. But of course I need two hands, so I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. So as you can see, I have it in there. Top one first, bottom one second, and I got my finger just stuck in between them. And then now you just mount it on the rotor, and this is like the easiest way to do it. Now I have it on the rotor, and now I'm going to put those two screws in, and after I do that, I put that bracket on there. So I'm going to put the two screws in. So like I said, I put my finger in between so that way I could mount it. The little springy one goes on the back, the bare one goes in the front. Now that I got the bolts put on, and if you're having trouble with this one, just remove the caliper, stick this bolt in there 1/4 of the way first, then put the caliper back on, and you'll clear the brake line. And then now you gotta mount this bad boy, and I have better luck doing the bottom one first. So mount it like this, stick the bottom one in the hole like that. You're gonna get mounted like that, and then you do the top one. Might have to jiggle it with the screwdriver a little bit just to get in the hole. I'm going to aim for the hole. There we go. And that's how it looks. That's the only way I found to get it on easy. That's the easiest way to get this whole assembly on. Then all I'm going to do is reattach this once I get this tightened down. And this one's pretty easy. Slide it back in the hole like that. Take that part. If you can see it, you gotta bring it over here, slide that all the way in, and you should be able to actuate that. Got stuck. There we go. Actuate this whole thing. Just like that. And that's back on. Reset this clip. harness. And that's it. That's how you get the rear brakes done on the 2014 Ford Escape.